Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer crypto with Ramp Network on MetaMask step by step clearly. To transfer crypto with Ramp Network on MetaMask, begin by opening your MetaMask wallet. Ensure you have the latest version of the MetaMask extension or app installed. Log into your MetaMask wallet by entering your password. Once logged in, select the Buy button. You will see different options for purchasing crypto. Choose Ramp from the list of available providers. A new window will open, showing the Ramp interface. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to purchase. Next, choose your payment method for the transaction. Enter your email address if prompted. This may be needed for transaction confirmations. Review the transaction details carefully before proceeding. Click on the Continue button to start the purchase process. You may need to complete additional identity verification steps as required by Ramp. Follow the prompts to enter your payment details securely. Once you have entered all required information, click on Buy to complete the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed. After a short period, the purchased crypto will appear in your MetaMask wallet. You can check your wallet balance by navigating back to the main screen. If you have any issues, consider consulting the FAQs on the Ramp website for assistance. Make sure to always double-check the details before confirming any transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.